Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, Nihal's Lab Notes. So, first of all, I'm going to start with filters with parameters. So, parameter is a placeholder to replace constant values. Parameter cannot function on its own. It must be connected to filters, sets, reference lines, calculations, or actions. It gives the end user the flexibility to modify data from different values. So let's start with creating a column charts. So let's drag and drop cells into rows and subcategory into columns, then drag and drop cells into label, then sorted with descending order. So here as you see, so now if you want just to select the top 5 cells of each subcategory, so drag and drop subcategory into filters and select the top tab in here in the dialog box and select by field and select the 5 top, apply and click to OK. Choose the entire view and here's the results. So here's, as you see, the top 5 cells for phones, chairs, storage, tables and vendors. So now instead of always going to this here drop down and selecting the edit button here, the edit filter, so we're gonna to use parameters. So parameters are used with filters. So the first step, click here edit filter, then go to tool, choose by field and click here and create a new parameter. Change the name of this parameter as top number. Okay, and choose the maximum is 10 here. Click to OK here, apply, then OK. So you can see that a new parameter is created on the left hand side button, and to see the control window just click here and show parameter, and here you can see a control window is displayed on the top right hand side of the screen. So you can select the top number 3 here, or the top 6, or the top 7, or top 8. Now let us see one more example with sets. A column chart is created with the same data of subcategory and cells in a descending order with labels. So let's create a new sheet, profit here. Okay, and put subcategory into rows and profits into text, and sorted with descending order, and here you can see the 3 top subcategories: copiers, phones and accessories. So now we want to highlight phones, copiers and accessories based on profit. To do this, go to subcategories and click here, then click to create and choose set. So then navigate to the top tab here, click by field, then choose value 3 and select profits. Okay, then drag and drop subcategories set to colors, and here's the results. As you see here, we have phones, accessories and copiers with another color. So now let's create a column selection parameters. So to do this, the first step is to create a new parameter here. name it with choose measure. Then go to data type and choose string here. Then click to list and add sales and profits. And click to OK. And here's a new string parameters is created. So the next step is to create a new calculated field here. I'm going to name it with chosen measure. I've already prepared this, so as you see here, it's case chosen measure when sales, then sum of sales, when profits, then sum of profits, and end. So yeah, chosen measure. So you can see that the calculation is valid, and here apply, you can click to apply and OK. You can see that a calculated field is created here, chosen measure. So now I'm going to create a new sheet, drag and drop subcategory to columns and chosen measure to rows. So as you see here, this is for profits. Then go to parameters, select choose measure and click to show parameter. Here you can see choose measure. It's for profits. You can select of sales. And here a column chart for sales for each subcategory. Now let's create a very simple dashboard, but before this, go filters with parameters and select cells, put it into color here. Go to sets with parameters also and choose quantity here and put it to label. And go to sheet number 6 and call it with, I don't know, with choose measure. Okay. And create a new dashboard here, choose horizontal container and size range, choose automatic here. Now let's put filters with parameters, then set with also parameters here, then profit here, then choose measure here or here. So as you see, here's a very simple dashboard that we've already created. So as you see, we have filters with parameters here, sets with parameters here, and you can see cells here, top number 8, and you can select just the top 5 or top 4, or top 3 or top 6 as you wish. And also you can see here a subcategory. You can see choose measure sales, or you can change it with profits. So you can see also for profits here. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you found this video informative. And if you did, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on our future content. Your support means the world to us, and subscribing is the best way to stay up to date with all the latest video we have in store for you. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and feel free to share it with your friends who may also find it useful. So leave your thoughts and comments down below. Let's keep the conversation going.